my school, we're saving local plants from extinction with our seed-saving project! We plant seedlings from endangered local plants in our school garden. We get the seeds from a friendly scientist. Each of these seeds will turn into a flower. And each of those flowers will make even more seeds. Once the seeds are ready, we harvest them and give them back to our friendly scientist. And he'll pick the perfect spot in the wild to plant them. Growing endangered flowers in a safe space means that each seed has a better chance of surviving. Since 2018, we have harvested over 90,000 endangered seeds in our program. And we're going to do a lot more.
Go Seed Savers!
Birds!
Hi, I'm Luca, and I love birds. Did you know birds actually help plants a lot? Plants are so smart, they somehow train birds into helping them. Introducing the emu! Emus are the largest bird in Australia and really important to our ecosystem because they're a seed dispersal animal. It's when seeds get transported. So from a plant like fruit, they first get eaten by an animal. Then the seeds get pooped out somewhere else in our environment. This means more and more plants can grow from the seeds that are spread all over. Pretty cool, right? And because the emu has long legs to run great distances, it can spread its seed poo all over a huge range of areas. So thank you, emu, for being such a cool big bird and helping us rescue our ecosystem one seed poop at a time.
Native garden.
Jingaroo-walla, g'day. This is a Banksia flower, and this is a Banksia cone. Aren't they cool? Now, all over Australia, there are lots of different species of Banksia, and they're a plant that have been used by First Nations people all over the country for thousands of years. Now, they can be used for lots of different things. The flowers themselves, when they're hard and dry, well, they're perfect for combing your hair. Now, once the flower finishes, we end up with the pod or the cone. Now, each of these pods contain the seeds. Now, they hold it almost like a safe. They don't let it out of their grip until the conditions are right. And sometimes that means fire. And the heat from the fire releases the seed, and little wings on them help them to fly and land in an area where they will hopefully germinate and create a new plant. Banksias really are a magical flower. From the ashes, they quite literally rise for many generations to come.